Well, it is now up to a Licking County judge to decide the fate of a man accused of causing a fiery and deadly crash on I-70 in 2023. 6 people were killed. 61-year-old Jacob McDonald is facing 26 charges, including aggravated vehicular homicide and vehicular assault.
The 6 people who died include 3 students, a teacher from 2 chaperones as well from Tuscarawas Valley High School's band. They were traveling to Columbus for a concert. Today, both sides gave their closing arguments to the judge. 20 witnesses were called in 3 days of testimony. NBC4 crime and safety reporter Anna Hoffman is live now in Licking County with the latest on the trial. Anna?
Jen and Jared, McDonald is facing more than 31 years in prison if he is convicted on all felony counts. Today, both parties gave their closing arguments to the judge. It is now in his hands to decide whether or not if McDonald is guilty. The families of the 6 victims, they have been in the courtroom every single day, and today they wore these shirts with pictures of the loved ones they lost. Before the defense rested, they called 2 expert witnesses. The first, a crash reconstruction expert. He testified that based on data, McDonald was driving reasonably, not recklessly. The second expert witness testified McDonald's phone was receiving data at the time of the crash, but there is no way to tell if he was actively manipulating the phone because it did burn up in the collision. State Prosecutor Clifford Murphy went first in closing arguments. His message, McDonald was acting recklessly. He says there is evidence of speeding before the impact and no evidence of braking or steering away. He also says evidence shows McDonald was not paying attention to the road. Defense attorney Chris Brigden's closing argument message was McDonald was driving reasonably and there's no way to tell what the data on the phone is being used for. He says other vehicles in front of McDonald hard braked first.
Again, he had one job. He didn't do it. He had his foot on the pedal, and he had his eyes someplace else.
And the state can claim 203 sounds like a heck of a lot of data. We still don't know what it is. We still, to say that someone is streaming a video at that point, you're merely guessing. That's it.
Tonight at 5, we'll have more on closing arguments. Judge David Brandstuhl says that he will now deliberate and he will get back with us with the time when he will announce the verdict. Local for you in Newark, I'm Anna Hoffman, NBC4.